Do you want to try? I think Lindsay should try too.
I do
What
too.
do you think?
Yes,
Yeah.
I think that.
What do y'all think?
Yeah.
I do.
What do you guys think? Once in a lifetime opportunity, right?
All
You
right,
can do this.
Lindsay.
You look good with your dress.
Oh yeah, it'll match your dress.
Oh, God, okay. I can't do it.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
You're good.
You're doing it. You're already doing it.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Just calm down.
Just calm,
You're good.
breathe,
He's
breathe.
not. Breathe in. Breathe out.
He
Breathe
thinks
in,
you're
breathe
a
out.
tree.
Okay, Lindsay's legitimately scared right now. Just breathe in slowly.
You're doing wonderfully.
It's just so big.
Breathe it out. I know. Feel that on your neck.
It's kind of cold.
Yep. Kind of cold.
I want to love all creatures. It's just so hard.
Emily, it says in the prompter that we're right now supposed to say thank you.
Well, I can take him.
Thank
So
you.
you don't have to continue holding. It's okay. It's
You're
okay.
okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. All right.
It's okay.
Okay. You're okay. We're fine.
It's all good.
That went even worse than we thought it would go.
I fell down and he
Yeah.
grabbed my arm.
It's scary.
You couldn't see it. He got run.
The lovely Emily, by the way, is behind Snake Discovery Educational Reptile Programs, and she can bring animals to your scout troop meetings, schools, kids' birthday parties, all sorts of stuff.
You'll also see her with some of these friends at libraries around the metro this month, hosting free programs where she'll be, in the coming weeks, I can't even read them, so my heart's beating.
Just go to TwinCitiesLive.com. You can find all the information that you need to know about Emily if you want her to bring her friends to a gathering that you have. How you doing? Isn't that terrible?
I did it. Say you held a Burmese python.
Lord.
I did it, and it was. Thank you,
overcame.
Emily.
Great job.
You overcame.
Great job. Great job.
When it comes to that honey-do list on the fridge, see if it's more effective to tackle projects on your own, or should you spend the money to hire a pro? We'll get some advice from a pro coming up next. Right now, we check in with Megan Newquist
it's
for a
me.
look at what's coming up today at 5 o'clock on 5 Eyewitness News. We just survived a snake attack.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what, Lindsay, you have the entire newsroom in stitches when we thought you passed out, and we were like, who's doing the news at 4:30?
She went down. She went down. She got real
It's okay.
green.
The snake still
You're
had
right.
my arm.
Good.
She survived, and she will
Brave
do the
lady.
news at 4:30.
You guys are both very, very brave.
Megan.
All right. Hey, another